The innovation of mankind and the inventions within it propelled society to be what it is today. Technology is all around the world and involved in the life of an everyday person. Humanity as a whole is ambitious and shooting for the stars, literally, and with the help of aerospace engineers, soon enough we'll be going beyond them. Aerospace engineers deal specifically with aerospace, hence the name, and it's a career that people can be proud of and know their work is important. It's also a career that I strive to get to and am passionate about. Aerospace engineering is a popular career for various reasons, like the pay, the incredible innovations made, and the different career paths within it. Today, I will describe how the pay of an aerospace engineer can assure someone will live an incredibly comfortable life, the different creations an aerospace engineer can make, and the different career paths available to those in aerospace engineering. I plan on majoring in aerospace engineering once I go to a 4-year college and will pursue a career in it, since creation is something that I have always admired, which is why I want to go into engineering in the first place. As a little kid, I loved looking up into the sky and just staring. I thought the sky was beautiful and wondered what it would be like to be up there. Spaceships also fascinated me, and I loved toys that I could create with, like Legos. At some point, my sister and I watched Star Wars together, and I was starstruck by the creations in it. The fictional universe with such advanced technology and spaceships was phenomenal to me, so I kept imagining what it would be like for us to have that tech in real life. When I learned that I could actually contribute to making spaceships and getting us to space, I knew I had to do it. But of course, I can't go in blind. I have to do research on it. This research is being presented to you, and you can trust in me because of my passion. Research will also be a big part of my career, so I have to make sure to do it right and get the proper sources with the right information. And my first point of an aerospace engineer is how it can assure people will live an incredibly comfortable life. It's a common worry that with a job you're passionate about, that it won't be able to provide well enough for you to financially support yourself. A career in aerospace engineering can almost guarantee that you will live a comfortable life and love what you do. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, in an article titled Aerospace Engineers Occupational Outlook Handbook, which was last modified in 2023, in May 2022, the median wage for aerospace engineers was over $126,000. In general, this is a high salary, but compared to other occupations, it is an enormous amount of money. Other engineers had a median salary of $100,000, and the median for all other occupations was only $46,000. It goes without saying, a career in aerospace engineering allows people to live a more than comfortable life, and with this much money, your only concern will be deciding exactly what you want to buy. Now that I've discussed how being an aerospace engineer can assure a comfortable lifestyle, let me move on to my next point, which are the different innovations made in the field. There are numerous inventions in aerospace engineering that engineers create to this day. One incredibly well-known example are planes. And Britannica, in an article updated in 2023 titled Aerospace Industry History, states that in 1903, Wilbur and Orville Wright were the first people to take flight in a controlled plane. Their mass breakthrough led to even more innovations in the field. Since then, engineers have worked to improve planes, which we can now easily use for fast travel. And another innovation is the launch of the world's first artificial satellite, Sputnik, which marked the beginning of the space age in 1957, according to an article titled 60 Years Ago, the Space Age Began, that was written by John Urey in 2017. There was a race between the Soviet Union and the United States to achieve greatness in space. Aeronautics was never more important, and in 1969, the United States accomplished getting the first man to step foot on the moon. Instances like these demonstrate the importance of aerospace engineers, and they are needed to further invention and creativity because it will ultimately benefit mankind as a whole. Now that I have discussed the important innovations made in aerospace engineering, let me move on to my next point, which is the different career paths in the field. There are many different paths available to those who choose to major in aerospace engineering, and according to an article titled Aerospace Engineering by AGCAS editors in 2022, you could find work as a researcher, manager, educator, and as well as many other paths. This means that you won't be limited to just one area or thing. You have options and can decide where you want to go. Aerospace Engineering by AGCAS editors 22 also states that you can get a job in a different disciple. This is because classes in aerospace engineering overlap with many other disciplines. In work, this can lead to more opportunities and allow workers to be flexible. Engineers are in high demand, so there isn't any worry about lack of work. In conclusion, aerospace engineering is a popular career due to the pay, the incredible innovations made, and the different career paths in it. The median wage for aerospace engineers is over $126,000. Various inventions like planes and satellites made great strides in the field and are commonly made today. And some of the career options can be with the government or other engineering disciples. Ultimately, anyone can rest assured that a degree in aerospace engineering can lead to various promising prospects.